Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya pi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi, nginwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka People's Democratic Front kabalong kaway ni Kisengsan Perthai kabalaya trailang hapo ka Sorkar Senrop jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance Henry Hado Menta kadang susngap jar-jar kelempat kento ay ka jingdawa jong ka United Democratic Party na umentri rangba jong ka jela Konrad Kongkel Sangma ban penhir syuki yau James PK Sangma ubadai umentri ubapay ka tanat sam boarding jong ka jela. Habaya keren bat kilat Pathai Kubor, Presiden jong ke People's Democratic Front uba Bantai Dor Lingdo, ulaong baka jing ngap jar jong ke parti kamday setia bakam don jingkit kli halor ke jing penlip boarding ka da ke Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, Henry kum ke parti kahap banti banyak syuad yaki dautan rai ki bala penlong ye ke Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, ban pangswai na ka daw ke jingken no, baka don ke jersey bamsap bat kiway.
Yeah, as a party, we feel that this is not good for the people of the state. Load shedding, and then the problem which we saw in the newspaper. It seemed like every day it's written only for the power sector. So, but the thing is, from the party also we want to sit down and make it completely to find out the truth, what is there behind, because this is not the issue for the last 1 year. This issue it's been it's only been there for the last many years. So that's why we have to find out the root cause. What is the problem of the MEECL regarding this issue of load shedding, regarding this issue of corruption, or so many things. It came out from time to time.